Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. And on this quick tutorial, what we're going to be talking about is how to create a custom gobo for a light that we did a review on, the smallrig RF10 and the newer basics gobo light. So we're just going to go ahead and jump on into it. I'm here in Cinema 4D, and the first thing I'm going to do is select a cube here. Now I am going to want to have this be 83 millimeters, so I'm just going to use this as a kind of measurement tool. And then I'm also going to create a disc. Now I'm going to go ahead and bring that disc down to our 83 millimeters here, because that is how big our disc is on our gobo. And it's just going to go a little bit bigger, and that's fine. Actually, just a little smaller here. Right there. Perfect. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and delete this cube because I no longer need it. On my disk, I actually wanted to make rotation segments. I'm going to change this to 50. Now I'm going to right click on it and make editable. Make sure I'm selecting all my faces. I'm going to go ahead and select all my faces there. And I'm going to right click and extrude. And I'm going to extrude this about, well, we'll just say 1.5. That works. 1.6. So I'm going to extrude it just a little bit. And then I'm also going to select some of the sides down here. Maybe if it'll let me. Come on. There we go. Select some of the sides there. And then I'm going to bring this out just a little bit. And then I'm going to just make it a little smaller. Just like that. It's got a little notch on the side of it. That way you can take it in and out. There is that. Next, what we're going to want to do is we're going to have to boolean something that's directly through the center of this. Now, I do have a logo. I've already done one. I'm not going to use my logo again, but I am going to just use a quick circle path. So let's just say we've got another disk here, and I'm going to create one of those fun little circle disks that I'm going to create a smaller circle inside of here. So I'm going to go ahead and shrink this down a bit. And it's going to be quite a bit smaller there. Gonna pull this up. All right, so we got a small little circle. Let's see here. Oops. Ooh, one thing I do want to do. Hold on, we're going to go to the disk. We're going to do close polygon. I'm going to go ahead and close that polygon real quick. We're going to select our disk here. There's a disk. Going to make editable. Select our faces. Extrude. We're going to extrude just a bit, just like that. We go down here to the bottom. We're going to go close polygon hole. We're going to select that right there. And we're going to take our disk and we're going to move it right into the center just like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to take one from the other with a Boolean. So we're going to click on here, and then we're going to go and select Boolean. So we're going to put our disk on top of here like this. And then we're going to click our Boolean and go from union to subtract. And there we go. We have created a custom Gobo holder. Now, this is real quick. This is just with the disc, but I did make a custom one that has my logo down in the middle of it, and it is all exactly the same. You just create your logo and you just plop it right down there into the center. Okay, the next step, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to 3D print this thing. So this is in Cinema 4D, and one of the things I did learn about Cinema 4D is how to set it up for print. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go here to File, Export. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to export this as an STL. But before you do that, you're going to hit this little cog right here. And you're going to want to make sure that that is set scale 1 to millimeters. This is automatically set to centimeters, no matter how your project is set up. So you're going to want to set this up to millimeters. Hit OK. Go. Boom. Just like that. And that's it. Then I'm going to go ahead and open up my Anycubic here. This is my resin printer. Currently, my other printer is down at the moment, but this is just for tutorial purposes only. So I'll just go ahead and get this thing on here real quick. Tutorials, Gobo. And I'm just going to drag that on over there, and there you go. You've got your own custom little gobo. Well, everyone, thank you for watching. This is just a quick tutorial on how to do this real quick, real simple. If you have your logo already made in 3D, you can just pop that right down there and Boolean it right out. Anyway, thank you for watching. My name is Cherokee Turner. Please like and subscribe if you do enjoy this content, especially for this kind of quick and dirty kind of content. Be sure to like me on Instagram and all the other social platforms and subscribe on here. Hit that notification bell. And yeah, stay creative out there, and I'll see you next time. Bye.